Our today's topic is patterns of biodiversity. Patterns of biodiversity can be studied under two headings. Number one, latitudinal gradients and species area relationship. Both the topics they are very important. Now, let us begin with latitudinal gradients. Diversity of plants and animals is not uniform throughout the world and it shows uneven distribution. Means if we study the animal and plant diversity, it does not remain same throughout the world and it shows uneven distribution, and there are interesting patterns in diversity, one of which is latitudinal gradient in diversity. We know that the latitudes कैसे डिवाइड किए गए हैं अर्थ पे. इन द सेंटर एट 0 degree Celsius 0 degree there is equator, and then we have to 23.5 degree north there is tropic of Cancer, and at 23.5 degree south there is tropic of Capricorn. In general, the species diversity it decreases as we move away from equator towards the poles. जैसे जैसे हम इक्वेटर से poles की तरफ जाते हैं towards north and south, the species diversity it decreases. Let us see the change in or decrease in diversity at the various regions on the earth. At a tropical region between 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degrees south, the species diversity or the species distribution it is more than the temperate and polar areas. यानी इस रीजन में 23.5 डिग्री नॉर्थ और 23.5 डिग्री साउथ, these regions they show more species diversity in comparison to the temperate regions or the polar regions. Colombia near Ecuador, it has 1400 species of birds, whereas the New York, which lies at 41 degree north, it has only 105 species of birds. Greenland, which is situated at 71 degree north, it has only 56 species of birds, and India in the tropical latitudes, it has more than 1200 bird species. Ecuador, at equator, the tropical forest, they show 10 times species of vascular plants than temperate forest which are located in midwest of USA. Means the tropical forest near equator they have 10 times more vascular plant species in comparison to the temperate forest which are located in midwest of USA. Another example is tropical Amazonian rainforest in South America. They show the greatest biodiversity on earth. That is, it is a home for these Amazonian tropical rainforests. They are home for 40,000 species of plants, 3,000 species of fishes, 1,300 species of birds, 427 species of mammals, 427 species of amphibians, 378 species of reptiles, and 1,25,000 species of invertebrates. This is the data as given in NCERT, which you should remember. And the scientists they have estimated that in these rainforests there might be 2 million insect species which are yet to be discovered and named. यानी अभी 2 मिलियन इंसेक्ट स्पीशीज जो हैं वो डिस्कवर होनी और उनको एक नाम दिया जाना अभी बाकी है. Now, what is the reason? This is an important question. What is the reason for greater biological diversity in tropical regions as compared to the temperate regions? This is very important question. What is the reason that greater biological diversity is seen in tropical regions as compared to temperate regions? Ecologists and evolutionary biologists, they have suggested various hypotheses, and there are three major reasons for greater biological diversity in tropical regions, and these are: number 1, speciation is function of time, यानी नई species evolve होने के लिए time चाहिए. Temperate regions, they were subjected to glaciations, whereas the tropical latitudes, they remained undisturbed for millions of years. Temperate regions में glaciations होते रहे, tropical regions थे जो वो relatively undisturbed रहे for millions of years, so they had a long evolutionary time for species formation and diversification. Second reason is the tropical environments, they are less seasonal, more constant and predictable, and this constant environment, it promotes the niche specialization and it led to greater species diversity. यानी कि stable, constant and less seasonal environment ने प्रमोट किया किसको? greater species diversity को. And the third reason is that in tropical regions more solar energy is available, and this solar energy contributes to higher productivity, which indirectly contributes to greater species diversity. For example, there is an example that in tropical rainforest, mean number of vascular species per 0.1 hectare, it varies from 118 to 236 species, whereas in temperate zone, mean number of vascular plant species per 0.1 hectare, it varies from only 21 to 48 species. And as we move from lower to higher altitudes on a mountain, the species diversity decreases, and it is believed that a 1000 meter increase in altitude, it results in a temperature drop of about 6.5 degrees Celsius, and it leads to reduced diversity. यानी जैसे जैसे हम किसी माउंटेन पे या हायर ऑल्टीट्यूड्स पे जाते हैं तो पर हर 1000 मीटर इंक्रीज इन हाइट के पीछे कितना टेम्परेचर कम हो जाता है? 6.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. एंड दिस इंक्रीज इन ऑल्टीट्यूड एंड decrease in temperature, it leads to reduce of biodiversity. So this is the reason that why the tropical regions, they have more biological diversity as compared to the temperate regions.